We're here about to record the first music for JitterBlast. Let's go on inside and see what's happening. So basically I have the best swing musicians in the world down there recording the music, which is pretty freaking awesome. Swing dancing is a very youthful, fun, energetic activity. It always has been. I mean, the dance was created by teenagers essentially, and that's what I really wanted to get across in JitterBlast, that you can get something out of it when it comes to dance and fitness, but also at the same time being able to get this new current sound. It keeps me young, thankfully.
The thing about swing music is that real swing music fits Lindy Hop perfectly, and Lindy Hop fits real swing music perfectly. Lindy Hop was created to swing music, and you can Lindy Hop to lots of things, but it's just never feels the same. So anytime I can be involved with that, it makes me happy.
Having put a lot of time and thought into JitterBlast and trying to turn it into something, make it user-friendly, but also something that really embodies the dances, and also now, like, finally is getting its own sound and being able to use the best musicians, being able to have the right format. It's really amazing to see this all just coming together, and that it can be done at such a high caliber.
We had a pretty good murderer's row of guys from our regular Campus 5. We had Josh Colazzo, Albert Alva, Chris Dawson, and we had Brian Shaw and Marcus Howell on bass. Brian Shaw on trumpet, Marcus Howell on bass, who are two of our go-to guys, and so I mean, felt really good. It felt really good all day.